Sandra from Missouri City has a foundation fill question.
She had it leveled, the house leveled in 2016, Tom. And Sandra writes, the dirt that was displaced has settled, leaving these holes in the ground and my foundation exposed.
Got it?
Okay. I wonder if I should fill the holes surrounding the foundation, and if I do, what type of soil should I use? What's your recommendation on that, Tom?
Well, you could use anything from sand to soil. Mix it with compost. If Danny was here, he would talk to us about what are you going to grow next year.
Yeah, if you compost, top dress that, you might grow another bedroom.
That's right.
We're kidding. Don't do that.
No, Danny's a great guy. So it depends what you're going to do there. It could be something as simple as sand, but you might not grow a lot of grass and stuff. It might not be good. So I would use probably a topsoil because you want grass to grow, and it looks like it's a grassy area there.
But she says it goes under the house. I mean,
well, you're not going to pump it under.
Okay, don't do that.
I don't know how you can do it. This is where someone like Due West Foundation Repair is so important, because when they backfill, they have a special mixture of dirt that won't do that. So this is where you go from the amateurs to the pros. And so right now, you're just going to have to keep filling it with dirt until all the sloughing stops. Sloughing is when the dirt keeps finding a place to go. And I would just use a good topsoil, because eventually you want your grass and trees to grow. If they did the foundation repair right, the pilings are down onto good soil. So the house won't settle, but the cosmetics of it is what you're dealing with.
Yeah, because your house no longer sits on the slab, it sits on the pilings.
Yeah, I always tell people it's like a table. Think of a table that you can't see the legs, and the legs are down in the ground on something good, and then you're just on the tabletop. Does that make sense? Or is that dumb?
I think in some world it makes perfect sense, Tom.
But not in ours.
In Tommy World.
Okay, fine.
Tommy World, no, it makes perfect sense. I'm teasing with you.
Okay.
That's what we do. All right, and we answer questions. When you send them to us, home show radio kind of questions, home improvement, you send them to us, we'll answer them. Go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.